She said first she cook it, but she proved something to me today. Say curry goat can cook without butter. You understand? Yeah.
The Rasta wrong can cook with butter then.
What in a wrong still, but
I can do.
I can do it though. I used to.
Alright.
But you can learn a thing from this still.
Yeah, butter is not needed.
Yeah, butter is not needed.
Pot smell really, really good.
First time goat cooker. Yeah, cook for a long time. Right. The finger
Yo,
look for now. Nah, I don't know lie. You see goat? I'm from the dung so.
That's easy.
Teeth it. We kick it over just to get 2 pieces of test. You put it in. So we know say goat bad.
Greetings, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm your girl DJ Dalvi. Any problem me way, solve it, yeah man. So today is a very beautiful day. First of all, I must say enough respect to the Most High. You don't know. If I put the Most High first, yeah man. Respect for this blessed day to the Father God. Give thanks. I'm just asking for those guide and protect with you this day. Yeah man. So I'm very, very happy today because I'll be linking up with Martel Adventure TV. This are the more official link up, yeah. Cause remember I link them up for them black, but these are the official collaboration link up. You don't know the thing, yeah man. One day we have a bingo in a year man. So you don't know Martel Adventure TV, I check in. You don't know Natasha. Nah, go me. Natasha could see that boat, yeah, make that boat, yeah, me sorry. No? Yeah, so Natasha got there here too. So I just want to know, just stay locked in, clocked in. Remember, like the video, subscribe to the channel if you're not yet subscribed. Yeah man, just stay tuned for some good vibes, some good energy. You don't know, positive vibes all around here, yeah. No negative energy around here, yeah man. So and just go and stay locked in and clocked in. Don't move a muscle. Remember, the people in the UK, Canada, USA, please hype up the video. When you don't see the hype button, hype up the video. Big up on yourself and stay locked in and clocked in. That is it. Right, did. Natasha. I say I take a walk out. What? I'll jelly in a water wait. Other people right now, Martel check in with the team. I'm sweating.
Tell the people about your vex.
I'm very vexed right now. I'm gonna do the mic. Right now I'm vexed. Right now I'm vexed because Rasta no come. I don't know. Let's say go on. What go on for Rasta?
Rasta say I'm upset because I never get no goat. Saturday. Same now come for no vlog today. You want Dalvi man? Yes. Great Dalvi want to run the show today? We are driving from about 6:30.
Nah run no show.
You're not cook free Dalvi?
Nah cook free.
Say God no.
God no. Yeah.
Dalvi the fan. Just round the corner.
Yes, I'm the van, just round the corner.
Can't reach.
No, sir. You're turning up far, man.
Cool and nice still. Say I deal it now.
Those that say, I wait for them to run off the pot, you know. That
mean I deal it for the HQ, come here, say I have some work I deal it for the HQ.
Yeah, but you can't work, you're not smooth youth, man.
So nice. You can't work, you know.
What kind of work you
come anything we are dealing
with. Say one build 2 seeds still, but we check the Rasta that go forward in, so that take
I make it up back to Rasta that weekend and still give him plate of goat, get him back on tour.
You take a dip, Martel?
In a river? Yeah.
Cause right now, I don't know if it's a cause. You know, come late. What time? What time a clock has strike, you know? Natasha, what time? Look by phone and tell me what time fast. Money I check up over there, you know.
Dalvi, I tell you left from 3, though.
What time? I say?
No, say 4.
Look, 11:30.
6:30.
Look by the time, Bridget.
Dalvi.
No, man, Bridget. By the time,
I know it's far.
Oh, you mean me for telling you how far? I don't know watch video, no, you see how far me there?
I never know so far.
No, Bridget, we don't know. How are that for?
You don't want that money?
She don't know their money there.
$20.
Know their money there.
Watch it. Yeah, me see woman a check out money now. Me check say that nice piece of food me I go get in.
Oh, the long time $10.
Yeah.
We get
I
some
just
more.
don't
We get
have
so much
the
loot,
$1.
Max. We get so
You
much.
don't have no shilling there.
Right now, you might go prison
But
for
these
them
are
right now.
different
They
currency.
say them are illegal right now. Right now.
Them are different currency.
This favor the long
Me I will have them.
Them
man.
are different currency.
First me, we don't want a different currency. We don't want a different currency. No, Jamaica we there now. Hold on, let me see how it is. I don't even know what this. This look like our Indian sit. I don't know.
Yeah, you can stick
Hold
to
on.
local then.
Yeah man, $5. See, so I can't get them. I have to go and hold on pan. So we carry them for? For sure me, so I no born go and see them. It's not just saying so me run down there so I like anything. You got a good little track. Yeah man, so I go clean up with, yeah. Clean up some seasoning and get the thing going. You know how the thing go. Yeah man. Why a favorite spot? That is it. One snatcher. Yeah.
Put 2 beer in the freezer. Yeah, put 2 beer in the freezer.
You put in a beer them in the freezer.
Yeah, my outdoor freezer though. Go and chill out.
That is it man.
Problem.
Well, any problem me solve it still. What? Me not solve.
Yeah.
Yo, me not want that today do.
Not sure, I don't like that goat still. Too fatty.
Never clean it.
How thing there? I never melon give me that one.
I know melon.
Never melon. See, I observe you now, talk. I talk more time, Pino. You can't look behind the camera. I'm going like you're dumb. Yeah.
I feel dumb right now. No voice. No voice.
No voice?
Right now, they are on the riverside. So some go to clean up. One Martel adventure.
Yeah, riverside, watch your sweat. You're up here hot. Yeah, see it? Up here hot, man.
Oh God.
So here that's how Dalvey.
Yeah man.
As a rasta there, right? Who are going to test this and tell you for ram? Yeah, go smell this and tell you for ram go to there.
Now we can test
You
it.
have to do it.
Yeah, I can do it too.
I can do it for ram.
I can do it
Yeah,
too.
I can. So what later I can do it for ram today. Yeah, when Rasta sniff it, Rasta say ram this man.
Alright, this look like a foreign goat business thing.
No, that's true. They say no eat meat.
I never say I don't eat meat, but I don't follow
like
it up.
meat.
I don't really follow it up like that still, you see me?
But I like it neither, you know.
You don't like it,
No,
yeah?
so. I'm more of a Rasta more than Rasta.
I see everything I go on here so too.
You say you want it today?
Yeah.
That's a deal with you, though.
Alright, right thing that man, I respect that. Loaded procedure, so right now I get the natural seasoning cut up and thing, you know. 2 add pepper, you know. Thyme. Put them to the side and cut them up in a calabash. Yeah. Go on. Hey, I don't know how they get them a sweet pepper here from, you know. Squinch up sweet pepper. Squinch up like it's mad where carry them come. Oh, I go on.
Oh, they're right there.
Squinch it just it out there now. What a nice. Well, you don't know, say, me I'm not proud on cutting up nothing in a bush style. So, And just watch what I go on now. Make sure you get off the road part there. So this scallion. So today, what I cook today? Some curry goat and some rice and peas and sliced fish. I used to say, oh, sliced fish like that, Tasha.
Yeah, and you guys have to cook it?
Who are going to cook that?
Oh no?
Friend, you look, you know. Can I say, friend, you look, no friend not there, so.
Well, I have to eat, so.
Look what I go, what the camera go? 3 carrot this, you know. Now, Mali for Martel Adventure, yeah, Mali 1 carrot, we see them roll out, then come with 3 today. And when Rasta are there too, you know, then come with 3.
Look good, oh.
Look at that all. If I like Rasta, I just go and vex same way. Go and vex same way, Rasta. So I cut them up, you know. What one? Oh, go on. Hold on your hand, Dalby. Hold on your hand. We are going with some onion now, and this purple onion. It's a purple onion, you know. Right. Alright, remember say, that's how we deal with it, you know. I never come for no cooking business till, you know. I don't know how I go on today, you know. I never plan to me I go cook today, you know. Sweet pepper. Add pepper. I told them if you cut up. I told them if you cut up.
Yeah, see? Yeah, cooking man. Do anything and more right.
Brother. It's alright, I'm going to take it easy.
Yeah, that's
I'm going to take it easy to lose and square. I don't see the goat come right round in front of me like I want plate of food. Like a raw food. I want to mash out the ginger, like also, beat it out. You want to tell me now? Yeah, go come back here, sir. Look like them must say if you just mix it in and now. Nervous what? Every time man born nervous. I don't know which point is nervous.
Yeah, no, us, are you? Nerve eye.
I went to nervous.
Fitness, look nervous? Little bit.
Zoom in on this. See what I go on?
This look colorful still.
Alright, so. Jesus crime. Yo! I wear white drum there.
Jaja.
Mix up one thing, you know? So hold on, where curry there? Where curry there?
Yeah, man.
Aye, curry.
Look good still.
None of that boy look good still.
No, yeah, though.
We need some more season for re-season pot, brother.
Man.
We have more season for re-season pot.
Wrong thing, man.
What is that one, man?
So if we just cook it, you know. Remember when we do the chicken without seasoning?
No, we're not the brand that just so. Remember, see how over here, we know they know, you know.
My hair turf, you know.
Yeah, but my term. Hold on.
Go feed curry and them.
Go feed curry in our. And yeah, Maggie.
That's what you look like you can manage the bush life. You can't give me a one room boy, you know.
Yo, I can't want to do that at all.
Yes, you can't get a one room.
I get a good judge today, you know.
Oh,
No, I know if you can't manage bush life, brother. All the bag, you have to take off all the bag. What you do with bag, so why in the bag? What there in the bag?
One bag of love.
One bag of love.
Yeah. That's it. Man.
Tough.
What?
Yeah.
Wood the tough.
Woo.
Stick.
Lick him but not kill him. Lick him but not kill him.
Stick.
Ah!
Stick.
Yes. I never green. Hey, me stand up in a hand's nest, you know. Attach and clean up slice fish, you know. Outside, fully outside. That man still a liquid up there. That man a liquid.
Why?
Alright, so right about now we have better pack curry, we have Maggi all purpose. You know, we can't do without the Maggi all purpose, you know. So we don't know where we're going. We do it that way, yeah. Put no olive for seasoning yet. Then curry. I say in a hurry. In a hurry. Two of them. I best curry them if you was still, you know. Yeah. We are rock it in, you know. Yeah. Put all our love in it, you know. Yeah. All it's go and soak in and thing. Yeah, I feel nice, you know. I go cook curry goat. Whoa! Look who said I cook curry goat. My God. Oh God. Me convince myself after me can't take it no more. Me just say, me just go easy. Me just go easy. Lucky in the frequency, you know. Make it go on, you know. That is it, man. Big up Rasta Bunny up, you know. Yeah, that is it. You can go and see the stuff, you know. Look what go on now. One snatcher. Yes, English man fly down all the way from England.
Find the battlefield, you know?
Yeah, man. Guy, can you know where you do, man? You don't forget the roads, man.
Yeah, never.
That's why I say, if you can't get fire, you can push it, man. Alright, I know what to do.
Push it in, so.
This no catch.
We're going to find out today.
We are going to find out today. Today.
Get it going and then, yeah, go on the big stick there.
Yeah. Yeah, light up.
The light up, since I have plastic stick there.
Yeah, light up.
I pay for. Trust the process, man.
Yeah.
Snatcher go light up the fire now, you know?
Trust the process, man. I have fire Rasta too long still.
Yeah.
See where you make out around here. That no light you get to which God you serve.
Dalvin, I'm not here to live enough.
I believe in it. Let me get a nervous.
Get a nervous. You sure you know one term must you walk with?
Let me get a nervous right now. I think I didn't want light.
No, I say nothing, you know. Me talk cutting already, you know, Martin. Me talk cutting already, you know.
Snatcher, why not sweat no more? Why not sweat there?
I sweat. Too much camera, you know, too much camera.
I lock off the camera.
Yeah, I'm lock off the camera.
Yeah, no.
I'm more private than you are, more than when I get round and stuff.
I'm going in the bedroom if you want that, man.
Or in the cell, but I get the fire blazing, man.
Where's that time, you know?
John, no. I have to believe in that, that'll be another man.
Where's your time with that? Yo, use this.
Alright. It's alright.
Alright. The reef was the peanut bag, you know.
No nuts, snatcher. No nuts.
I don't know it's at the bag.
I don't want to trim the man. I'm going to trim this. I can go and I'll leave now, man.
Nerve taking. Nerve taking.
I can go and I'll leave.
Nobody not tell him what to do.
Yeah?
Nobody not tell him what to do. He start.
Wait
Do
till
it
you
for
put on the curry goat, you snatcher.
That's bet you go and talk, man.
Next year, by the time, I know.
Go enjoy yourself, you know.
Go enjoy yourself.
We're not scoring time, you know, man.
But yo, we're not the fan of scoring time.
Really?
Yo, you look like
again.
you look like you a big cricket you play when you're out, you know.
Yeah, wait till scoring time for Dalvey, man. Yeah. Man, 10 out of 10, you know, man. Hey, Dalvey?
I don't see a word in English.
Alright.
Now we don't have English there so already.
Alright, you put a chat.
See smoke, me not see no fire yet, but them say once you see smoke, fire did there.
You believe that?
Not all the while, you know.
When you put on this curry, we're going to know which fire them.
There's a fire there, most still ain't think a cold breeze. There's a weird panda fire there, picket, you know. That's what it's now. Slide fish. Slide fish are seasoned up here now. One Natasha outside, you know? Yeah. No. You are going to know? Snatch up fire light, you know?
Right.
Where you have to say?
That means I tell yourself, trust the process. You see it?
Trust the process. To a white plastic in there, use normal white plastic, not really catch fire skin in about. Come like got the pan inside today. Got the pan inside today.
God always
I never expect it to go really light, you know. But I not fight it still.
Yeah, I take this boy out and skin, you know?
Yeah, man.
That'll be I say, because me English, me can't Oxford that. So, I'm sure I said we not left the roots. I'm going to live in England, but the roots is still here.
Not sure, I'm just there, bro.
That'll be I said, we can't Oxford coat that, huh? So, this is a coat that like the problem, because skin soft. Like when you wet up, you know?
You know, come out faster, man. When you wet it, you work faster and I'm better. Watch ya. What there, so? I burn up. Wow. Yeah, another one, snatcher.
Proper that dreadnought, you know?
I go and chop out that. I will get on the pot for the fire and start the ball game. So we just go and stay tuned. You know?
Yeah.
That is it.
Proper.
I not even realize that I have a spoon in my hand, you know. When we come down here and I bring it. And I know.
You're not prepared for this, man.
Look at that car, man.
I not say nothing still.
You see how my fire light and I burn out?
Yo, man, come with that fork, my head, and want more stink.
Where's the going?
No, not even a body.
No, look at that car. Boy, you're just saying. They're coming close.
No, then say, but me not remember exactly like they say. When they say, when you use knife in a pot, your mouth will stink. I think of that then. That's good. Hold on.
That'll be our spectator.
Hey, when Live and direct right now. Live, me live. Live, me live, live. I say you do it, man. Well, come in. What me something? What me think that? Come in.
Anything there? I don't want to know anything there.
Wow, yeah!
Rasta the one that, yes! Rasta the one that, yes!
Oh God! Yo!
That's a firework.
Fireworks! Oh God, I can't laugh. I want to stir it up, you know?
Rich.
Curry look good, man. Alright, so I'm making go and see my little bit. That is it. Yes, it's a record. Yeah, and take it eat in the kitchen and come out. Yeah. You go and see my little then we put down some water and I want to go and cook down, you know? Yeah, man, you have to keep on guard your pot, you know? Guard your pot and make sure so your pot go right through good.
Snatcher, I smell something now, man. Don't want this Dalvey again.
I look down, you know?
Yeah, I push your nose almost, and I pot to smell that.
Yeah, the man.
Something, you know.
Them stress me out. Yo, no, stress me out, my brother. Look how with this, yo. Yo, look at the camera, Baba. I know what. Mama, down my mind. Man, yo, me tell you, say, me want curry good and yeah, give me fi cook.
Yeah.
You think I cook? Yeah, but me look as I come cook, give me. Me not expect see me I go cook, brother.
No, we come too far. One way you go with.
No, Bridget, man. So right now, watch out now. You see if this not come out good, don't blame me.
No, man, I score a deal with it.
Score a deal with it.
1 to 10, man, I grade it. Yeah. Watch out again, guys. You know, pot again. Yeah, let the pot kick to a Rasta.
Rasta train now.
That's what that's for now.
Yes, I dish towel this. So.
Hola, pull the pot cover down there, man. Listen to this. Snatcher, hola. Where's the go on, Snatcher?
What like that? It's a dive throw one and like a soup. A soup.
Right now, I'm telling you what I go on. No, man, I take off it. I put it on. Remember say, no? Remember say, then thing, remember say, goat or something with tough, you know. You see me? So, I make it go and cook down and then, you know, when you get down to a certain level, you start putting more seasoning if you kind of bring up back the flavor, you know what I mean? Yeah, so, just go and see it. Yeah. So, I mean, I couldn't know where I go on, so, that can go on, we can go do any other thing we want, and that is it.
Dalvik, what name? Curry goat soup, though, Snatcher. First, I go taste it today. Up on the fire, go and
come down. Have a rice that, I put some more fire stick in that. You need that.
Yeah. What Dalvik, sir?
Alright, so.
Yeah, see, yeah, guys, I agree with some dreadnought. And Dalvik, I got to tell me to go over a hood and stand up. Crazy. Dirty talking our mouth. Dirt, yeah. That's the one wash out our heart, man.
Yo, me can't laugh today. Me I tell him to go over there so go turn
You're
up.
mad.
The poor boy would.
Crazy. Oh, yeah, all that sound to you now. When you repeat it, how it sounds.
Anyway,
Sweet, man.
some quote that great up, you know?
I'm not native quote like this, Dal.
I think so, you know?
Native? Native are big.
You have some big and some small.
Yeah. I know today. Pumpkin rice and curry goat, that'll be a give up on the ends today. God, man. Come here, go on, Dalvin. That know me, I don't know.
You know, we are the man.
You never great have your finger in anything yet.
Only bad time.
Jesus. Wicked, you know.
The wicked in a Babylon, man, trust me. Enough time, I great to have my finger, man.
Remember, you laugh off me and say Englishman. Englishman can't
Look
take
on this,
fire.
people. Look on this. Hey, that boy, I want to burn up his sitting.
Laugh off me and say Englishman can't take fire. You see? Tell her to trust the process, you know?
You have to trust the process. May I tell you, say, God left my side today, man. God left my side today, Snatcher. Yeah, man, so I check in back for my tell you now.
Yeah, both are sweat.
About a sweat.
Yeah, see it, look.
Man, I sweat.
Country life, though.
Yeah, man, that's why I ask Speed Living can manage country life.
How him say?
He not answer,
Nah,
he just stand up and look for me.
I think he can manage it, boy. All
What do you
people,
tell him?
country life nice, but it's hard.
Oh, God. What not a great top,
Yeah.
you know?
See one down here now.
Oh, we have a nice up of what?
See if you get one 10 out of 10 today, you know.
Well,
Dalvin, may I tell you, you see, me pause it. You see, if me give 10 out of 10 today, me give you one 5 grand out of that bag here. If you get a 10
you come here and that, oh, you want the bag and say, you not take off your bag in another shot.
So if you get a 10 out of 10 today, me give you one 5 grand.
I'm going to put in your work
How that you
today.
have to go do?
Well, me up on my ground still, so.
So you see, if all them get 10 and me no give, you still get it, because maybe me bias.
That's
No?
not so bad.
Alright.
Alright. Because I know say I bias one over, over there, you know.
Alright.
So you make sure clear the hearing.
Yeah.
Alright.
Mm-hmm.
That is it, man. Go and stay locked in and clocked in. Let's go on.
You say me could do this, look at it now. You see me?
Looking in, looking out, looking
So here I
even
go on now.
better.
You know, it tastes the curry pot. Come in.
Come in, come in, come here, come here.
I'm say, spin there, giggle.
Man, I giggle up. Man, I giggle up like a fiddle.
Fiddly. Snatcher. Alright, that's my pot. I'm so I go on for the flavor.
Hold on, you put on this out here.
Go on, help yourself,
No, man,
man.
me no help yourself.
Why help yourself now, man?
Yeah?
You might have to open me pot.
No, man,
That's that two difference, man.
you go and open your pot.
Snatcher, I tell her, I say, me give her 110 today. She have a 5 grand I get from me, so I want to know what flavors are come on, you see me? Look, good still. Right now it come like a 5 grand, then I will need it. Yeah? You don't believe me enough to do. You think they need the 5 grand? Yeah? You think they need the 5 grand? Can't have it. Last time, because I'm in our rental life with the one.
No, you can't. See that? That's why the pot come. Nervous. People, look here. See, that's why the pot come, man.
Fire stick.
Fire stick, where am I going?
That's where I go and go to the pot. No.
I have no idea.
Yeah, man, it's a come on.
Is it ready for it, now?
This, may I smell the cream, sir?
Tell me a lie. One lie to tell me. This one punch you put this. I can't punch you put this one.
I put me a cookie for you, man. God no.
Yes, it is. That case I go first time goat cooker. Yeah, cook goat long time. Lie to tell. I have a finger in my look on our people. Lie.
I'm impressed. Can't get the 5 grand now. Can't get the 5 grand now.
You need it.
No, me really badly need it. I need the 5 grand now. Watch out, no paper. Remember, I know.
Fiddle.
What the fuck?
The rank now face now good. The rank never. Yeah, the rank.
Put the bottom.
The rank never cook out. I imported.
That's it.
I said the rank never cook out.
The rank not cook out time.
The rank still time.
That's it. Deserve the 5 grand now.
Yeah, Papa, find the 5 grand.
Hold on, no, man.
Remember, so I get the complete meal, the rice, everything. Yeah, I'm going to decide this.
Brother, don't send on the 5 grand now, man.
Now, what if the rice can't flush out? 5 meal.
No, yeah, cook your rice.
No.
Tell me I cook everything.
Yeah, meat, man. I hear a place to come, man. Yeah, man. If you're coming right now. I have a fish to cook.
No, I'm not cooking fish.
When you forward our place, now
Yeah.
we provide the meal.
Member say, yo, watch out.
Yes or no?
Yes or no?
Yes.
Yeah, cut the video now.
Yo, na idiot, you know, man. Watch out now. Na idiot, you know. Yo, na idiot. I told me can't tell lies still. No, them are idiot, you know. No, I'm saying my idiot. Because, watch out now. Remember when me have a ball to get the food?
What you get it, yes or no?
Me get yes,
or no?
but
Alright,
me have a ball and a play and a beg.
Did you get it? Did you get
Watch out. Watch out. Remember say,
You get it,
nobody.
I'm throwing a ball for nothing today.
Wow, we not ball.
Food. Give me rice
Right now, want to take off this here now.
I'll take it off here.
Take it off for me there.
Let's put it on put it.
Put it anywhere so as long as in order, sure.
It smells good.
Go can't cook without water. And they say you put it.
No, it's hot. It's hot. Oh, you want to see it? You have to talk in the camera lady. We're not dumb. How it look?
Yo, no mind, you know, brother, no mind, no sitting there as... Yeah, not even no mind. Remember, you know, me read Rasta, you know, to the max, you know.
She has I first she cook it, but she proved something to me today. Say curry goat can cook without butter. You understand? Yeah.
The Rasta wrong to cook with butter then.
But in a wrong still, but
How can do?
I can do it though. I went used to.
Alright.
But he can learn a thing from this still.
Yeah, butter is not needed.
Yeah, butter is not needed.
So we are going to deal with the rice and also stay tuned. Right now we are cook some pumpkin rice now, so I cut up the pumpkin. Then I know and thing. Natasha says she wants some pumpkin to go in her fish too. When you cut up it small for go in her fish though. You know answer.
The size not really matter.
Okay.
Should size matter?
In some instances.
I hear you, girl. You said size matter in instances.
Yeah.
Oh my God.
Alright. Yeah, man, at least I go in a John shop, you know?
Youngkin?
Yeah. I make you not say pumpkin.
We don't eat pumpkin.
You don't eat pumpkin?
A woman named Pumpkin.
You never know say woman named pumpkin. Oh, what go a pumpkin belly?
Okay. Yes, I put a wolf a belly water walk, but I must a woman named Pumpkin.
Ah, God. So, right about now, I go strain off the coconut, you know? One more tell go on with the silver, so, you know? So I get the water.
Check if he left no big chunks tonight, because Rasta always a complain say he left no big chunks tonight. Rub your hand to it first, Dalby, and check if no big chunks in there. And he always a left some, Jesus, Dalby, hold it up now, man.
I don't really know big chunk still. Me nah go fight him. Me nah fight him for it. He feel good, man. He feel good, man. Yeah, man, so. So you deal with it? No answer.
May I talk to? I'm only eat more water than that, my boss, so that gets still. Oh, leave that at Dalby, tell the man where I'm loading now.
And me a deal with this, you know, no bad man.
Do you, my boss, do it alright here, or somewhere there. Alright, this alright.
How why, boss? I sound like a rasta yard, you know. Alright. By right, you should have put water upon that. And, you know, get out all the love out of that, you know. You love, pick come out. I love, let me show you. I love in this, you know.
Where love though?
You love, no, I love left back in this. And that's how you deal with it now.
That means I take out the love, this is nice.
That's me realize say me I left out the love, so me I go put in the love, you know. Yeah, this I love. Oh yeah, yeah. This a part I love. Yeah, nah short me love, you know. Alright, so finish him up, you know.
No.
But you have to cook with love. Yeah man, you have to cook with love, you know. Yeah. Pour out all of your love in it. And sometimes I like when some the trash go in it too. I don't know if other people like it already, but kind of get look right. Yeah man, you put a little bit in it. You don't have to put too much, you know. Yeah.
Alright, me.
Oh. No, I want to tell you, say no.
I'm not, I'm lying, that'll be a hide and I eat food. Yeah, man. Tell you that.
So me hide and I'll post crowd of people. I'll post me a deal. We got the right now, I'm good in a problem. Pick up, for me.
Zion get a lock by you.
No, right now I'm good in a problem because I never cook this at house yet, you know. Never cook this.
That means you never have money out, you know, man.
Yeah. So, I hope say, you don't get no cussing.
But nah, lie, watch out. Rich.
How much bone rice? 2 pounds. Oh, I'll squeeze out you one more time then. You look like trash me.
Hold on there. What is it? Hold on, I'll get the mic. Hold on, I'll get the snatcher.
Me at last I left look like sweetness in that trash for me there. No, I just squeeze out everything, you know. Them youngsters, you don't know when granny used to do that. You don't get that now, you put some sugar on it. And that's it nice. You dig? Yeah, see there? And a joke thing, man. I put a little sugar on this and do the right thing.
I get on the pot on the fire. This is a pot you have to cook the rice. You know what kind of big pot? Seal at the rod. Bombard! Yo! My God! I want the bombard! Yo! Jesus! Yo! I want the bombard this! Yo! See my camera! See my camera!
Watch out, guys. Fiddly turn over her like curry goat. Watch out. Watch out. Delvi, what do you feel about that situation?
Yo, me I tell you honest truth, yes, when me hear it turn over and me there about Sila, I drop this up and get me there, come here and say,
Delvi, I'm in knee up week. I have to catch from the river soon, you know. What you do? What about Delvi at Trimble? Yeah, and that's why Father God says a book. Delvi, I give you a camera. I give you a camera.
Nobody say, hey, yo, me I tell you, say, what? Hey, me did attack about Sila. Me say Sila. When me look, I put to the curry goat that shit.
Delvi, I'm in knee up week.
That's how you need up week. That was very good to be here. You don't know anything. All I know that. Yo, me tell you a long time, say fix up it good, you know. Bombard. Mother bunny smell good, you know. You only if you get this bunny camera. You're Natasha, say. Come here.
The pot smell really good.
Yes, talk.
The pot smell really, really good.
Jano,
so
Natasha say you.
the turnover with fiddly ground.
No, give me this.
No, no, Finally.
Yo, Natasha say it's well good, you know.
Fiddly ground with.
Right now, my heart start beat slow. I'm a unique system get weak.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
I'm a unique system get weak, man. Man, yeah, that's why I say go there.
You look at have a car KFC.
Man, from 6 o'clock this morning, I wait for this so I could go there. And now you want to try to fiddle? It don't look good.
I don't know what happened.
It's not a good look. After I first Dalvia could go to one national.
Jano's there. It's a good look still. You know, a little like that I forgot some my time. But we're grateful say I like not sure card. I don't know for my first time and that figure happen. No sir.
Dalvia, if you're white, so watch out. What you said to Dalvia?
Yo. Big up Rasta. Oh God, I can't believe it. We go and stay locked in and clocked in. We are going to cook your rice now, you know?
Look for me face. This is no one says it all, man. Wet, man.
Alright, so time for getting. I don't do like squiddly and turn over nothing, you know. I get in. We have right here pumpkin and sweet potato.
Yes, sir. I got the rice. This is new.
Yeah. I snatch a request to put the sweet potato in it still. So got a one hot pepper here. Yeah. Yeah man, so go and boil out a little bit. You know when you deal with coconut milk more time, it's best if you make it kind of boil out. Yeah, so that is it, you know. Just go and see locked in and clocked into the channel. Yeah man. One Martel Adventure TV out there. One Wago and Dalvy Panny up. Stay tuned. That is it. Yeah. You see salt to come in a blue and white bag. And that's the best salt.
That's a rubbish.
Yeah, I don't say rubbish because I don't use rubbish. And I don't put rubbish in my belly. so I purify now still. Yeah, so I get some in my pot regardless. You don't know. Give me a spoon up there so fiddly. Thanks. I get the little salt, you know.
Watch out the salt like Rasta, you know.
No, salt up what you know.
Nah, like this is rich.
You go there now, man. See how deal with the thing, you know. Yes, right amount of salt, you know, too salt and you know too fresh. Right, that's what I left it. So, here we go on now, Alright, so right now we are going to wash rice. We just wash off, man.
They say if you wash your face with rice salt, you say go something or something.
Yeah, that talking from me, I grew up as a youngster still. I know if you go some, I never try it still. Yeah. And we tell you the honest truth. I not go try because I don't know how I go on if I don't see Duppy.
You say Duppy what?
I know me have a good blackout. No. Never see Duppy's van the day I'm born. So, we wash rice now. Who's the rice washer? So, who's the rice washer?
Wash where?
Because I can't catch it back.
You can't catch every grain.
Now washing the rice. Alright, so when I say wash rice, still rice clean, you know. So
starch.
yeah. You say water white. Yeah. So You know what say? Tell you the truth, Duppy I not like one time still. Me tell you. Me tell you.
I ask you something quick. You believe in a Duppy? Well,
Me not go say me believe.
Tell me what.
Me tell you what go on now with the whole Duppy thing. I see back in the days, they never used to put the Duppy them on fridge. So really and truly Duppy used to walk for sure because them body fresh, you know? So then I put them on fridge. So you get me as say? So that's why Duppy walk around. For real, a real thing for eh? Yeah man, a real thing man, trust me. But that's my opinion. That's my opinion though. Don't take it as no. Put the right there, sir, man. Go put the rice in our pot. Oh God. Alright, so right now. Watcha. No, butter in this. We don't do butter over here. We don't do butter on this channel. I don't cook with butter. Nothing with butter. Alright, so I get in rice, you know. Right now.
So, question. Where we are doing? We are planning to flash the HQ open.
Flash it?
Yeah.
Yeah, spray it.
They now flash it.
We call flash.
That's it. See, this is man I tell you say rice.
I'll start this again,
We can
man.
flash it today.
Flash you, what you mean by flash?
It's on my rice now, man.
A different thing at the pot. Oh, you think I flour this year? Did I mix?
How we mix the flour, that's
Think man all the crepe off the flour by hand with knife. Oh, flash. If you flash is by the edge, quit a bounce off. Yeah, man. 100 too.
Shelly.
Video, subscribe if you haven't already. Drop a comment, share, comment.
One thing that pot is too big for 2 pounds of rice though. The pot too big for 2 pounds of rice.
Yeah. Sound like there's room for failure.
Room for failure. Yo, no move man. Oh God. One thing I never remember to mash out the pumpkin them and something. What? They have what? Man, I'm a zoom up on me so. We're not dealing with failure, man. Yeah, but we're not dealing with failure yet. You not tell them Martel. We're not dealing with failure, man.
Good still. That's it, yo. You can't trick me again, though.
That's it.
Yeah, trick stuff.
That's it.
Brother, I know some people cut now.
Listen me now. You tell a lie so you don't eat meat.
No, me never say me not
You
eat
see
meat.
if a thief out the goat, I know it bad. So you hide, you run.
Machine. We don't believe me, no man. I want things still. I'm not tell lies still. I'm not go say.
Yes, sir. First I cook curry goat.
I force me a cook, man. I force me a cook curry goat, man.
You don't believe. You believe our fit?
That's why I know something to tell me 5 grand, you know. I 5 me.
I 5 can make you go on so good. Motivation. And this don't man I talk about, man. God, motivation.
Come in at us, I see a jelly water.
John, no.
Special delivery, you know.
Yeah, man. Wash off a little dirty out here now.
Would feel away. Rice go and steam out proper, you know. So get on a banana leaf. See how you look there? Yeah man, get on the banana leaf.
See, I lock the pot so quick, I'm going to see this.
Yeah. Alright, me stir it up a little bit before I put it on. By right, still you should have used a knife. Yeah, more knife.
Tell me about knife.
No, sorry.
No, when you tell me about knife earlier?
Left that next video.
Nah, man.
It's a park which than I own.
Viewers and subscribers don't know. Where you say knife?
That's one next show. Stay tuned for that one. That is it, you know? They are boiled long, you know. Yes, I steam sliced fish and steam in a pot, yeah.
Some sauce are going
Oh, the sauce is first. Oh.
You know, and then you're carrying a tender. Fish are dropping there.
That is it, man. Oh, it's a snatcher around there. Hold on. It's a snatcher around here. Go and enjoy himself. Why? Man, can't leave the river. You see it, man. Nice. Yeah.
I make some speech wrong. Swim away. Are you season them, Dalvin?
No. The first we are going to eat here, them season.
Alright. There's some. Wow. There's some plate though.
Man, that's something.
Look at MC is a good still.
How kind of fishes?
Them say, I know. Dalvin. Fish this stuff.
Brother, don't answer a question, no, man.
I swim away. Them say sea trout.
Yesterday when you call me, what you tell me say you get? Yesterday when you call me, what you tell me say you get?
Slice swim away.
No, you tell me say a sliced fish you get.
Play can tell you, I met the people here that said no.
Would have walked this yourself to send me that card in there.
No go so. How it look?
You look proper, man. Proper, you know? Only Martel alone. Martel alone, not get none of it. Oh, God. Not living here. One thing you know, you have to do, it get late, you know, kind of more cooler now. It get more cooler. When you know the inside is more nice in a car, you know, about the cold, but now, it's cold.
What's a swim, Dalby? What's a swim? Go there good.
How say we can't swim in there? How say swimming can't go on in there? Whoa! That's a nice friend. See that boy cool, but it's a rare key now. You can't float. Some people can't float, you can't float.
It look like she get a 10 already, so. That's enough. It look like she eat out of my rice already.
I don't know it live down so. Have you tasted rice already?
You don't taste it, you know? You bless you though.
That is
I want to pray by the way, cause
Give you one of Portland prayer them.
the man you. Until me not going to say no to prayer still.
Yeah, that's it.
But would I like a new prayer? I like somebody different.
What do you mean new prayer?
Remember say me always a pray for my channel, you know.
Yeah? We don't want no for
Some
health
people
and
get-
strength and daily food. We want different prayer.
Oh God. You don't know where I go on, man, fit.
Yeah, get close and close.
Fiddly.
Eh?
Yeah,
so
rice
go
grilling
on.
can count, man.
Oh God, man, she going good?
Yeah, pumpkin with sweet potato.
Oh God.
Yeah.
First, I'm going to test the rice.
Test this still.
Yeah.
Well, that's not your idea if you put in a sweet potato in there.
It's not,
Give
yeah.
him the
Yeah.
credit.
Yeah, we have to
if
give
it
credit.
Give him the feel that
If
he's
it
going
feel
to
like him. Feel like him.
Yeah, but he might draw closer and closer like that. Yeah, man, let us pour up your man. Head me so much like yeah when me
Don't
Natasha, you want rice though?
Natasha no want a rice, man.
How that man see in the pot bottom?
If your potato never cook.
A darkness that in the pot
What
bottom?
do you mean darkness?
Just look.
Oh man.
What do you mean
I
darkness?
secret ingredients, yeah, sit down there, man.
Oh man. Something alright.
Brother, I secret
I
ingredients.
secret ingredients,
Scrape
man.
this a little
No,
more,
no,
man.
no.
I secret ingredients.
No, man,
No,
scrape.
a little more.
Enough food there here for everybody to have a script.
Something alright.
Yeah.
Yeah, 5 hours. And 2 more I go share.
When me and Father do bring food. Oh yeah.
So that's it. We are going to need a pot of rice now.
Brother, look here. This is not no pot of rice you
We
deal with.
can't eat no heap of rice now, Dalvin.
Well, me neighbor then there. Yo, watch that. I'm sure I'm not sharing this, you know.
Yeah, come
No,
put
I'm
that,
not sharing
come put
nothing, man.
Look good.
Look
Uptown
good.
Goat Martel.
Yeah, look good. Yeah, look good. Me not lie. Look good. So, go on. What?
What?
Fiddly, that means whenever you really
And I
turn
mean,
it over, I go still live, man.
Yeah.
Kicking.
that kick. That's a run with same way.
Yeah. Kicking, boy.
Very good. Look good in a pot, you know, first time on the channel, you know.
So
And
that's
first time me ever cook it.
So that means I go cook more goat on the ends.
Yes, man.
Oh, oh.
I say, please, you know, go on.
Yeah, man. Me please, you know me go out with, man. Super please. It's not just silent.
That's how I feel now.
Not just wait for that fry yesterday.
Not how I say.
Wait.
The
My
goat
house
smell
are
rank.
driving you put on this morning and come for this.
No more food than this, yeah.
Yeah, man, a restaurant, great Dalvin, man.
Let me see that. Let me see the fish.
Yeah, one.
Come in before you fly them take your food.
Go and eat.
Oh, we never should about the fat them yet. Alright, so right about now, you don't know food prepare, well prepare and thing. And you know we are gonna bless the food. You don't know the thing go one day we have a bingo, so let us just pray. Most righteous and eternal Father in heaven, as we all come to you today as a team, we ask for forgiveness of our sins. We ask that you continue to just bless, guide and protect us. Bless this food and let this food be of nourishment to our body. Bless Martel Adventure TV and his team. Natasha, Fiddly, Snatcher who is here with us today. And myself, I just ask that you just bless them and just help them to get home safely after we consume all this food. Just bless this food again and let this food be of nourishment to our body. In your precious name, Jesus Christ, I pray, amen.
Amen.
This of him.
Hand class.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah. So,
Begin.
Taste time. No, put that down.
yes. Natasha said, no, put that down.
Alright.
Coop.
Scoop. I couldn't wait for this. It was long.
Stand up like Rasta. Wait for our grade.
Right, yeah. That'll be a lion.
Long time she a cook good.
Long time, see, I think people them go down.
Yo, I can't manage that shit.
Long time, see, I cook goat, man. This guy, man, a 10 man.
No, I can't put on that big bread over there. I am going to send me a lion. That no look good. That no look
Yes,
good.
a snatcher. Our granny a teacher every cook.
Yeah, man.
So you hear me after no snatcher. The food, it miss no butter.
No.
Butter no shot.
Right now, everything right.
Yeah. Ready.
And the little idea when me give put the sweet.
Here, my tech
Put it
praise.
on
Here,
the
my
list.
tech praise.
Take your praise. Take
If
your
you
praise.
want to give the failure, so might as well give the praise.
So David, what's going on?
But I eat, you know?
For your first time cooking goat.
I'm overwhelmed.
For your first time cooking goat, you're
So,
winning.
so hold on. You
Yeah,
won
bingo.
$5,000, right?
Yeah.
Come.
No, wait, no, remember, me have to taste the cream. Remember, me have to taste it too.
All right, let's go.
See if you deserve it. You don't hear about it already.
No, but I the foolishness.
I tell her now.
Honest review.
It's no most, yeah, honest. Me that say it no most honest, but talk honest. Talk honest. Too much camera there for me, killer. Alright. Yeah. Rice will go on.
The rice is rising.
So go on. But that'll be at the lie still.
That's it.
That'll be cook them thing, yeah. Either she hide and not eat them thing, yeah, but she do it.
You know,
Might have
look,
go on.
if more than one somebody else, me I tell like.
Yeah, might have go on
Look
too.
how
All
we
the what? What bad.
You know, how we about.
All the ring can't taste like why? Can't taste
What
the
is
ring.
that? Yo, a good thing I got.
Can't taste it, man. It's tough. I know salt, I know snatch everything there on one little level.
Everything balance out, man.
Yeah, so that way, so I have to go get $5 grand, I will just
Yeah, man.
easy as well.
No, man, we just do and done car.
I get. I always find
She win the
get
bet.
score first.
What? No, man.
She win the
finish
bet,
first.
man.
No,
Yeah.
but if. Don't say none, man.
bet
Live
is
and
a bet.
like. Do me in
is a bet,
Panda,
no.
do me in Panda.
Live and
Yeah,
direct.
I bet it's a bet. You don't know.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Sit live and direct.
That'll be from there you tell we and see it that it come
Yeah.
through. One day we have to bingo.
Yes, you are. One day we have a bingo, bingo writers. So big up Martel Adventure TV. That's what I think going on. One day we have a bingo.
No,
After bingo,
So
girl.
consume
That'll be-
food, you know.
a food that come like on Sunday dinner. I tell you.
Oh.
Warm meal.
I must buy it off me.
They say
Damn
one
video,
piece.
I
Where
scoop me a scoop.
Where
man.
say snatcher?
Scoop. Meal I deal with.
Some people might feel like a captain, but I tell you.
No, no capping, man. Food are ready, man.
Well, all the coconut ready.
All the starter right now, and this little veg on the side.
Yeah.
Proper Sunday meal.
Yeah. Bad.
Scooping.
What that'll be a win. You win. See this?
Win, man. We work for $5
Win.
today, no?
Yeah, I ain't put the butter in that curry.
No, man. Me work for $5 today, man. Me worth it.
What? Knock him back. You see how it's sweet?
Not keep back there.
How this sweet and no sugar no in it.
Man.
Bad. Finger looking good.
See that people? Pumpkin and what that? Sweet potato and a rice. Tell them what you're going with that now. Scoop. Yeah, man.
Watch your face.
Me, I go test this. Me, I test this one.
Yeah, so
You see-
hard now.
You see, no, me I test it on my yard by myself. You see sweet potato and a rice.
Bad.
Yeah, man, it compliment the pumpkin good, man. It tastes good.
Yes, it's not bring in England style coming.
What? Sweet potatoes and mash right in the mouth like baby food.
A mash, a gerber.
Me not tell you no lie. You see goat? I'm from the dung so.
That eat it.
Teeth it. We kick it over just to get 2 pieces of test.
You put your foot in it.
So we know say goat bad.
Yeah. Yeah.
10 out of 10, man. If me make a bet, me lose though.
Yes, that's a bingo.
Yeah, man, it's a bingo.
They say don't need butter.
Yeah, come off of that, huh?
Don't need butter.
What do you need a butter?
Yeah.
Me don't think butter could add nor take away nothing from this right now.
Yeah.
You bingo, Darby.
Yeah,
Yeah, man, I like this.
It's a winning, man.
Well, she said one day she da bingo, today.
She
Bad,
bingo
bad.
big time.
I catch a plate inside her mouth and scoop.
Yeah, though.
Yo, watch it now.
See, I got me not high time, man. Scooping.
DJ! Me see you here. Where's the go on, Natasha?
10 out of 10, Dalby.
Okay, 10 out of 10. Oh, Martel, it's like tomorrow I go on over here. So.
You feel good, man.
Yes, good as usual. Alright.
He can cook.
You know, so he can cook. Alright, so that is it.
This finish
Now
one.
watch it. Everybody play it still full and fast natural one. Shell.
Shut up. Nothing like this.
Man, go down to the board.
Nothing, man.
Man, go to the board. Food is over here, so.
One squidly, man.
One squidly over
Yo,
here,
me I
so.
tell you, goat, huh? You put sugar in it?
No, not that sugar. No cook with
Oh, it's
sugar.
sweet.
Love.
Boy, you bad.
It's bad.
Yeah, man, want some more.
Want some more?
Need it.
I'm a high lane of plate.
Huh? I tell you, real gravy.
Yeah, bad.
Lively in this man, not the Highland, man. I just scoop off the Highland throw it.
No, sir.
I guess that's such a country cooking are really best.
Yes, man.
I,
But you never see when she drop this curry in her pot, man. Flames.
Me here when
Yes,
she say she have a secret ingredient, but me now when she hide.
Yeah, man. So big up all viewers, all subscribers watching from near and far. Yeah, man. So that is it for the video. Just want to say big up again, enough respect. Yeah. HQ settings.
But I'm just getting started. My eyes on the target. Nah, you're the better one, still kingdom come. Best to give me your loyalty, 'cause I'm taking the world, you'll see. They'll be calling me, they'll be calling me royalty. Best to give me your loyalty, 'cause I'm taking the world, you'll see. They'll be calling me, they'll be calling me royalty. They'll be calling me say I'm dangerous, 'cause I broke all the cages. No, I didn't take it. No. They let me think that I guess they'll never learn. Every time I break, there's just more pain to burn. They'll never till the battle's won, still kingdom come. Best to give me your loyalty, 'cause I'm taking the world, you'll see. They'll be calling me, they'll be calling me royalty. Best to give me your loyalty, 'cause I'm taking the world, you'll see. They'll be calling me, they'll be calling me royalty. They'll be calling me They'll be calling me They'll be calling me You're just standing on the cusp of what's okay and not morally gray, textbook insane. Now I'd like to draw this line you've crossed so many times. At this point I'm out of my mind. What's the point in loving someone morally confusing? It's not likely. You're so unlike me. I can't shake this feeling, 'cause I think I'm falling for the villain, and it's not looking like a good decision. And I try so hard to understand this, and you won't attempt to reprimand it. Should I sit, take it in, let it all unfold, or just say no? I know we can't pick and choose. I might just fall for you. It's not all win or lose, no black and white, there's color too. And I know how bad this sounds, but the silence is too damn loud. Guess you're not that bad. Did I say that? What's the point in loving someone morally confusing? It's not likely. You're so unlike me. I can't shake this feeling, 'cause I think I'm falling for the villain, and it's not looking like a good decision. And I try so hard to understand this, and you